I welcome you to a brand new episode of Auto Tech Talk. In this episode, I take you through the new generation of the BMW 7 Series. BMW is taking it to a whole new level in terms of design, performance specs, and craftsmanship. Introducing you to the upcoming 2023 BMW 7 Series. What is revolutionary about this new generation is that it is the first to have an electric version in the history of the BMW 7 lineup. New for 2023, the 740i will run with an inline 6-straight engine with a sleek rear-wheel drive. And we all know what happens when the rear-wheel drive tech is incorporated. It aids smooth cornering and more agile driving. The 740i again is assisted by a 48-volt hybrid electric drive system. According to BMW, the 740i will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds, aided by its 375 horsepower 3-liter engine. Well, if you're not impressed by the performance of the 740i, BMW has accommodated folks like you with the 760i xDrive. This version is powered by a 536 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine and comes standard with an all-wheel drive system. This also uses the 48-volt hybrid system, and BMW mentioned that it will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just only 4.2 seconds. No excuse to pitch up late to a meeting. This new BMW 7 Series comes standard with adaptive dampers and air suspension. That means one should anticipate smooth rides on uneven road surfaces. So, for the folks that are more environmentally conscious or want to get a feel of what driving in the future will be like, the pioneering BMW i7 is available, the first in the history of the BMW 7 lineup. The i7 uses a dual electric motor system, with each motor driving its axle, making a combined 536 horsepower. BMW mentioned that the BMW i7 will hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The i7 will offer 375 miles of driving range. A 101.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack will be included, which will allow addition of 80 miles of drive range in just 10 minutes. BMW has developed a healthy relationship with Electrify America, so this implies that every BMW i7 customer will be able to charge for free for 30 minutes for a period of 3 years. Getting into the design, BMW head of design, Adrian van Hooydonk, explains design as the crossroad between engineering and art. The design of the BMW i7 is revolutionary, very distinct from its predecessor. It is unmistakably identifiable that it is the successor, and it indeed exhibits the interpretation of future design for BMW automobiles. It features new slim tube design headlamps with revolutionary high-tech LEDs, gigantic grills integrated with the brand's identity logo in the top center, as well as a diverging U-shaped design bumper. Not forgetting the seamless door handles, which also play a role in aerodynamics and noise reduction at high speeds. Furthermore, it features new tailpipe designs. Dynamic lighting on the rear is one of the exciting features. The new BMW is slightly bigger, longer, and has more height, as that is what you can typically expect from BMW's limousine. Inside the BMW 7, I would like to first start with the distinct pioneering features. The cinematic 31-inch screen. This allows you to connect your mobile device with an HDMI cable, stream videos, be on Netflix, browse the web, you name it, simply via the car's built-in 5G cellular data connection. Passengers indeed do not have much excuse to feel the long journey. BMW has crafted its 7 model with high-quality materials featuring glass trims and wood, as well as with versatile ambient lighting illuminated via the glass. This induces the feeling of splurging. The steering wheel offers much comfort and better ease of control inspired by aviation design. Customers have an option of choosing the cashmere wool with leather upholstery. This takes the BMW 7 Series to an exclusive level of aesthetics, at the same time fulfilling the function of offering great seating comfort. Since it's a limousine, I am sure you aren't bothered by the expected amount of legroom as well as the headrest. The 7 Series interior is made more desirable by including the Executive Lounge package. This means you get electrically adjusting, reclining, and massaging seats, a wireless smartphone charging pad, as well as adjustable headrest options. I feel like the combustion engine 7 Series is more aggressive and raw, whereas the i7 is more sleek. I think that should make more practical sense because one is burning fuel and executing a great sound. On the other hand, one is just turning the drive shaft with motors. Not forgetting to mention that the combustion engine's model interior features the D-shaped steering wheel. Almost thought they had deviated from that, by the way, so it means the spirit of that design language lives on. The combustion engine model further features carbon fiber trims on the dash panel, as well as on the exclusive headrests. One can feel not only the technical skills of design, but the creativity executed only because of the love and the passion for combining matchless skills for creating a pioneering product. It's all thanks to the adopted leadership style of BMW. Furthermore, on the dash is the integrated digital cluster plus infotainment screen. Boot capacity of the 740i is said to be 540 liters. The convenience of controlling some features with your mobile device using the My BMW app is also on the successor. To name another showstopper feature is the automatic opening front door. Very presidential indeed. Safety and driving convenience is one of BMW's major priorities. Safety drive features of the 7 Series are lane departure assist with lane keep assist, autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, as well as some autonomous driving mode. This means you may, but only for limited miles, get your hands off the steering wheel and text a friend, or explore the beauty of your city. The rear doors feature a touchscreen for the control of air conditioning systems and the infotainment system. Also at your command on the touchpad, you may pop the 31-inch cinematic screen. Prices to expect if you intend on purchasing the 7 Series. The combustion engine is estimated to have a starting price of $94,295, and the i7 expected to start at $120,295. Well, any model offers more or less the same features in terms of technology and performance specs. All you need to decide is, do you want to be environmentally conscious? Do you want to hear zero sound whilst accelerating? Or grab yourself the privilege of still being able to drive around expressing horsepower character? Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything. Right here on Auto Tech Talk.